face to cover up my eyes. I'm jumping in my ride, I'm heading out tonight. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding.
Hey guys, so we're on our private beach and we're going to see what Amy can get up to because she's drawing something and I have no idea what she's doing. Let's check it out.
God damn it, bro. Hey guys.
What is that, Amy?
It's a line, duh.
What are you doing?
Okay. That looks a little uneven, right? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Drawing a rocket.
What is it?
It's a
Look!
NASA.
Seagull! Hi, Seagull! Okay, back to Amy. What are you drawing, Amy? A rocket ship.
A very amazing rocket ship.
Okay.
Oh, hang on, wait.
Yeah, the water might wash away your rocket ship.
Huh?
The water might wash away your rocket ship.
No, not before I finish it.
Is it going to blast off first, is it? I don't think that's a rocket ship. Oh my god. Are you for real?
Oh wait, you need lots here.
Amy, tell all our friends what you drew. What is it?
Seagull!
No! We're not falling for that. What did you draw?
There actually is one.
What
Seriously,
did you
look.
draw?
It's going towards my rocket ship!
Seagull's flying away. I don't think he likes it. What did you draw?
A rocket ship!
Let's go check out Amy's rocket.
It's beautiful!
This is Amy's apparently beautiful rocket ship. Yeah. Amy. And as we said in our introduction video, we do random sing and dance as Amy is at the moment. Or was random singing and dancing.
Do you want to see my dancing?
Let's show them your dancing. Let's see how Amy can dance.
Let's do cheerlead, okay? Ready? Okay! What the fuck do cheerleaders do?
I don't know. You're the cheerleader, not me.
Any little pump.
And that's how Amy does random dancing,
I
everyone.
wasn't going to do it. I was going to do a split jump, but I can't. I'll fall on my ass.
Do it. Do it.
Sorry if you see my flab, peoples.
Just do it. Do it.
Shut up.
Best jump in the world.
Bye, guys.
That's it for now, guys. Catch you later. Peace.
I'm riding solo, solo.